Okay, this is the exercise for the Medicare levy and net income, or anyway, whatever this question is going to come out to be. So we have a question here. It says, Lee has come to the end of her first financial year employed as a website developer. On June 30, she made the following notes about the financial year. So what you need is you just need this information in this table. Now we're going to have a look here. We've got gross income from employer, gross income from casual job, interest on investments. They are all income streams. And then we've got donations, work-related expenses, and they are deductions. And then finally in this table we've got the tax that the person paid during the financial year, or that Lee paid during the financial year. So there are three different bits and pieces. Now the first question is asking us to work out the taxable income. So this one here is taxable income. You are going to be using that formula. Taxable income is all of the income, add up all of those yellow ones, minus the deductions, add up or subtract the two blue ones. Then after you've got your taxable income, you're going to use this table here, as we have been doing, to work out the tax payable amount, or how much tax she's paying tax on this income. Now you need to find out first step one. Depending on what answer you got for taxable income, you are going to find the row number and write it down. Step two, you're going to grab whichever one of these formulas correspond to that row number, write it down there. 3, you're going to have a look at in depth. You're going to have a look at the cents per $1, these things. You're going to work out whichever way you're in, you are then going to convert that to a decimal. So it's going to be your cents per dollar, and then it's going to be divided by 100 or over 100, whichever way you want to do that is fine to get it to a decimal. They will both work. And then your last step is you're going to take your numbers and substitute them into this equation that you've written up here. That is going to give you the tax payable. Your second, so that is this one. Now, question C is asking us to work out the Medicare levy of 1.5% of her taxable income. Now, we have just done that in the theory before this. So you'll work that out. You'll get the taxable income. You'll multiply it by 1.5% after you've converted the 1.5% to a decimal. Question D is asking you to add tax payable in the Medicare levy. So add the tax plus the Medicare levy together. That will give you a total. And then the last question is a bit different. It's asking you to express the total tax in Part D as a percentage of Lee's taxable income to one decimal place. So you're going to put the answer to D on your answer to A. And then you're presenting that as a percentage. So as a percentage, that's going to be times 100%. And that is going to give you an answer of something to a percent. Okay, have a go at working this exercise out.